Hello, I'm Marcus Weeks from PPG and welcome to our Chapel Hill project. In this corner, we've created a nice seating space and an area for the fire pit. Sit back and enjoy looking over the freshly landscaped yard. This garden was inspired by an Australiana theme featuring form boss, corten steel edging, a river pebble detail and a lot of native plantings to attract the birds. As we stroll on down through the decomposed granite path, this rolls into the freshly renovated pool area and a beautiful lush green lawn to separate the living spaces and the pool. All of the paths around the house, the veranda and the pool area are all tiled with this beautiful travertine cashew, which continues the whole way around the property. By tiling the veranda in the same tile as the pool surrounds, it connects this area with the freshly renovated pool area. We even gave the garden shed a spruce up by lifting up the roof and expanding its space to house the pool equipment. We've installed all new glass pool fencing and all new boundary fencing as well, and it's been painted in woodland grey. On this project, this is what we call a full pool renovation. We've completed the interior, new pebble creep with glass beading. We've included the waterline tiles, and we've also done a brand new coping and surrounds. This tile surrounds has a beautiful inset lighting feature which comes alive at night time. If you've been dreaming of a transformation just like this one, give us a call for a free quote.